What's going on, y'all? I am back at y'all. This is Bud Kelly with another video. Artists, we gotta talk. Look, today I want to talk to you about why your friends and family won't support you until you blow. I'm sure you're feeling it right now. You asking niggas to share your shit. I mean, I got people asking me to share their shit. And me personally, the reason why I don't share that shit, because I'ma share and they ain't gonna do nothing with it. I'ma share a song with somebody who's not even currently working on their music. It's just like, can you help me? It's like, I'm gonna throw this out here, however, whatever, and you ain't gonna put out no music. When they go to your Instagram, it's gonna be a picture of your dog. So that's that. But your friends and family ain't gonna support you. Yeah, they gonna support you to your face. Oh yeah, man, that shit was dope. I was listening to your shit. They gonna listen to it while you there. But when you walk away, man, they finna turn that future on, nigga. I don't wanna hear this, nigga. Fuck out of here. And it's crazy. Watch this though. You blow up, they're gonna hit you with the congratulations text. Or if they see that it looks like you about to go somewhere, then they gonna try to go ahead and latch on a little early so they look like they was genuine from the jump. You know what I'm saying? They hit you with that congratulations. That don't mean nothing. Oh, too late. I'm already popping. It's like a stock, right? It's like a stock. You should have invested in the stock before the stock blew up. You know what I'm saying? Like the people I know that do music, I try to go listen to their music. I'm like, yo, if I can listen to these big artists' music, let me listen to their music. And you know what? If I like it, I like it. If I don't, I ain't listening to that shit again. And some of it I don't listen to again. And some of it I do listen to it again. Boom. It's genuine. But just don't expect it. You're in this alone. Nobody's gonna support you. They ain't gonna share your shit. They gonna hit you with a like. They gonna say keep going, cuz. And that's about it. Yeah, you're in this alone, bro. So stop being mad at the people around you. It ain't their fault. Actually, it is their fault because they could show some love. Like literally, if we was just able to tap into the people that know us and be like, hey, support our music, we'd probably blow up a lot sooner. Same with my music, same with my beats. Niggas ain't support me like that, you know what I'm saying? And then as soon as it look like I get a little something, I notice people start running towards me. Hey, what's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? Nah, fuck all that. You're alone. Don't be mad. Just know when the shit pop off and niggas hit you with the congratulations, you know who not to fuck with. But if you got somebody right there that's actually supporting you and they genuine about it, and they pushing you to keep going, then that's somebody to have in your corner. That's rare. It's rare to have somebody genuine in your corner. But don't be mad at the people that ain't fucking with you. All you need to do is worry about the people that do fuck with you. That's it, man. Just, yeah, I mean, don't be mad. It's crazy. It's crazy. The people that you think, right? These people are around me. We hang out. We talk. You would think, man, they would show me some love, but no. It be complete strangers that's gonna show you love. It's crazy, right? Same with me. It's complete strangers that's fucking with me with my beats, right? And that's usually how it go. You walking this path alone. So the friends and family that don't support you, fuck them. You're gonna find a new friends and family that's gonna support you. It's gonna be complete strangers. You know that's okay. When your people in your life hit you with the congratulations text, you know that they wasn't down with you, and you can leave them fucking alone. So just keep working, man. Hope this video helped you. Let me know what you think in the comments, and also let me know what y'all also want me to talk about. So, Bud Kelly out. Hope you enjoyed the video. Peace.